When the world feels heavy, come back to what's still good. Hello, and welcome. If you've been feeling anxious, unsettled, or simply worn down lately, you're not imagining it. There's a lot happening in the world, and the constant stream of news and social media can quietly pull us into fear and exhaustion without us even realizing it. This isn't a message telling you to ignore reality or pretend everything is fine. It's simply a gentle invitation to step back for a moment and come home to what's still steady in your life. When everything feels uncertain, it helps to focus on what's right in front of us, the things that are real, present, and quietly holding us up. A warm cup of coffee or tea, a familiar routine, a pet resting nearby, a moment of quiet. These may seem small, but they matter more than we realize. Gratitude doesn't mean denying the hard things. It means choosing not to let fear take over every corner of our attention. When the world feels overwhelming, it can help to gently remind yourself of a few steady truths. You might want to say these quietly or simply hold them in your mind. I am safe in this moment. I can slow down and breathe. I do not have to solve everything today. What I have right now is enough for this moment. If you're feeling anxious, try this simple practice. Name 3 small things you're grateful for right now. Not big things, just real ones. Something you can see, something you can feel, or something that brings you even a small sense of comfort. Over time, I've learned that peace often returns when we stop chasing certainty and start appreciating what is already supporting us. Gratitude gently shifts our focus from what we fear losing to what is still here, still holding us steady. Here's a thought I come back to often. I am stronger than my anxieties. Let today be about turning down the noise, even briefly, and giving your nervous system a rest. Fear may be loud, but calm is still available, often in the quietest places. Thank you for being here. We'll keep finding these steady moments together, one gentle step at a time.